So friends, welcome to my channel. Today's our subject is graphical method. In graphical method, we have to getting solution with the help of graph. So there is a two linear equations in the example. First equation is x plus y is equal to 4. 2x minus y is equal to 2. It is a second equation. So first get a first equation and make a table as shown in there. So we have to do rough calculation in there. Now assume x is equal to 1 and put x is equal to 1 in equation number 1. So when we putting the x is equal to 1 value in the first equation, we get y is equal to 3. As it is x is equal to 4, we get y is equal to 4. Now we getting x is equal to 6. Putting in first equation, we get y is equal to minus 2. In this way, we have completed minimum 3 values, which is very very important for the making a graph. So our second equation is 2x minus y is equal to 2. Assume x is equal to 1 and put in equation number second. We get y is equal to 0. Now the second value of x is 3. Put in the equation number second. We get y is equal to 4. Now this is a third value. Get x is equal to 0 and put in equation number 2. We get y is equal to minus 2. So our second table of coordinates is ready. In this way, we have to make two tables which are shown in the channel. xy 1 3 1 as to 3, it is a first coordinate. 4 as to 0, it is a second coordinate, and 6 as to minus 2 is a second coordinate of the first linear equations. In second table, x is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, and the first coordinate is 1 as to 0. The second coordinate is 3 as to 4, and the third coordinate is 0 as to minus 2. In this way, we have to make the two tables of coordinates, and now we are plotting them in the graph paper. So friends, welcome on graph paper. These two are our tables of coordinates of that two linear equations, and we have to now plot these points on graph paper. I have already plotted the points. You can see there. There is a first point is 1 as to 3, means on the x-axis 1. On the x-axis we have to get 1, and on the y-axis we have to get 3. Here now seeing, this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. This is a scale. It is a first quadrant. It is a first quadrant. It is a second quadrant. It is a third quadrant, and it is a fourth quadrant. Now our first coordinate is 1 as to 3. First quadrant is 1 as to 3, on which is means on x-axis we have to get the number 1, and on the y-axis we have to get 3. Extend these lines and make join, but take precaution, don't draw a straight line. Dot line we have to make there. And one most thing is, always write the numbers on the left side of the y-axis and down the x-axis. This is a very easy to solving the graphical method. The next coordinate is 4 as to 0. The next coordinate is 4 as to 0. On the x-axis 4 is there and 0. On the y-axis 0 is there. This is a 4 as to 0. The third coordinate is 6 as to minus 2. 6 as to, there is a on x 6 and minus 2 on y axis. On the fourth quadrant 6 as to minus 2. This is a our first line of x plus y is equal to 4, as it is for first equation. This is a straight line of first equation, and the second table is first quadrant on second table is 1 as to 0, which is means on x-axis 1 and y-axis 0. Join these and this is a first quadrant. The second quadrant is 3 as to 4. On the x-axis 3 and y-axis 4. Y-axis 4. This is a second quadrant, and third quadrant is 0 as to 0 as to minus 2. 0 as to minus 2. On y-axis minus 2, and on x-axis 0. This is a third coordinate. This is a straight line of the second equation. 2x minus y is equal to 2. Now our solution is ready. In which place these two lines are crosses, and in which point these two lines crosses, this is our solution. On x-axis 2 and on y-axis 2. Hence x as to y is equal to 2 as to 2. It is a solution of the equation. If you like the video, subscribe my channel and share the video.